Plot two histograms on single chart with matplotlib. I created a histogram plot using data from a file and no problem. Now I wanted to superpose data from another file in the same histogram, so I do something like this. But the problem is that for each interval, only the bar with the highest value appears, and the other is hidden. I wonder how could I plot both histograms at the same time with different colors.
Here you have a working example.
The accepted answers gives the code for a histogram with overlapping bars, but in case you want each bar to be side by side, as I did, try the variation below. Reference this URL. Edit, the 16th of March 2018, updated to allow plotting of arrays of different sizes, as suggested by @stochastic_zeitgeist.
In the case you have different sample sizes, it may be difficult to compare the distributions with a single y-axis. For example, in this case, you can plot your two data sets on different axes. To do so, you can get your histogram data using matplotlib, clear the axis, and then replot it on two separate axes, shifting the bin edges so that they don't overlap.
As a completion to Gustavo Becerra's answer. If you want each histogram to be normalized, normed for MPL equals 2.1 and density for MPL equals 3.1, you cannot just use norm/density equals true, you need to set the weights for each value instead. As a comparison, the exact same x and y vectors with default weights and density equals true.